Muhammad Ariful Hasan again. I'm very sorry I couldn't record myself in those previous days because I was so very busy with my study and there were some family issues and I couldn't avoid them. Though I recorded myself a few days, but I was very lazy to edit them. I thought it's better to keep them in future. Maybe I will edit them. Okay. So today is 18 November 2021 and this is Thursday. I woke up early in the morning near about 6. I went to restroom, got brushed my teeth and started editing the PowerPoint because I had a class on 8:30 and I wanted to make a very qualityful PowerPoint slides for my students. It was a poem by Philip Larkin, Ambulances. While I was teaching this poem to my students, I was getting into the poem like I was feeling death in every second, you know? And I was referencing some of my life experience to my students that they can understand what the poet actually meant by ambulances. You know, why we are after money, why we are after wealth actually. What is the meaning if we die? You know, those questions, if we think at least 1 or 2 times in every day, I think we'll not do any crime, we'll not do any illegal things in our life. And okay, anyway, I'm very becoming very emotional. After conducting the class, I took my shower and went to my university near about 11 and was starting some of these stuffs because today there was a class of respected Lakshman sir. So I was working on exploratory action research. In between, some of my students came to my room and gave me a very good news that we are going to Sajak, you know, our department is going to Sajak. There was a very less chances to approve this study tour, but we are lucky. I'm very grateful to our honorable founder sir, our treasurer sir, our faculties, and of course to my dearest students. Okay, I'm very excited actually. I have never been to Sajak. I promised my skill up team that we will go for a lunch today, and I kept my promise. We went to some restaurant to have a lunch. After coming from there, I again studied and joined my Kathmandu University class. Yeah, it was a good feeling because I think I was on the right track today. After attending the class, I stayed at my university till 9. It's crazy, right? Then I came to my home. Before entering my home, I went to a restaurant to have a short dinner, you know. After coming here, I thought that it's better to record myself today because, you know, everything went well today. Today I talked to my family for 3 or 4 times, I think less, 3 times. My wife got a new job. She is very confused where to join. So I was just supporting her. I don't know whether I could make it or not. And there was another good news that one of my colleagues got a scholarship in University of Brunei. I think I forgot the name actually. It was a full funded scholarship. So I'm very happy. Okay, I'm planning to study for like 3 hours because there was another paper my teacher asked me to do. I have to write more 4,000 words. I have only 2,500 words. So, okay, see you next time. I'm not sure whether I can record myself tomorrow or not, but see you next time. Bye bye.